Hey, we're here, go to math.com, click on the calculus, go to the second fundamental theorem. I believe we're down here. Now, in 2.2, I kind of go over an explanation. We state the second fundamental theorem. If you hadn't seen that, you might want to watch that because I'm not going to repeat that again. We're just going through the mechanics on actually how to do this problem. Alright, use the second fundamental theorem calculus to find f prime of x. So here it is, and okay, so I'm going to go ahead and write this down. We have 8 2x cubed 7 sine of t squared dt. So this is going to be a tough one here to actually take the integral of, if we had to take the integral of this and then take the derivative of whatever that was, but we don't need to do all that. See? We just don't need to do it. And that means that even a business student that doesn't have to learn trigonometry can do this problem. I think I harped on that in the last video. 2x cubed. I just think it would be fun to put this on a test for business students. Because I don't know about in the rest of the world, but the business students don't need to usually study trigonometry. It's not like an engineering calculus class or it's a business calculus class, but I may be wrong. They may be changing the rules on that. Anyway, so what we want to do is let u be the upper limit here, which is 2x cubed. We're going to take the derivative of that. Du over dx is equal to 6x squared. Then we're going to rewrite the integrand in terms of u, so we have 7 times sine of u squared times, and I'm going to go ahead and write that, 6x squared. But now remember, we want to get everything back in terms of x. And you're probably like, why don't we just skip that step, this step here? But let's not skip it. So we got sine, and then u, which is the 2x cubed, and it's all raised to the second power times 6x squared. Now remember, this is all equal to f prime of x, and of course we can go ahead and let's do some stuff here. We got 6x squared times 6 times 7 is 42, so we'll write that there, x squared sine, and then this is squared, so that could be 4x to the 6th power, and we are done. See how easy that was? You know, you could just go from here to here and be done with it, right? Alright, boom. 42x squared sine. If you want to kind of look at the explanation of what's going on here, you might want to try 2.2, I believe it is. So we got f prime of x equal to 42x squared sine of 4x to the 6th. Is that right? Because that's squared. That's 4. 2 times 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, that should be right. Alright. Okay, so come on by, go to math.com, get some practice in, and holler back.